Is this the best $3 meal in America right now? We've all seen the viral birria trend, but Vallarta Supermarkets has something that is changing the instant noodle game forever. Today, we're hunting down Ciello Ramen. This isn't your average chicken or beef flavor. We're talking authentic, slow simmered birria de res flavor in a cup. It's a Hispanic owned brand. It's a total fusion of Mexican and Japanese culture, and today we're gonna see if it actually tastes like the real deal or just another salt bomb. If you know Vallarta, you know their cocina is legendary for authentic Mexican food. So it makes sense that they are the primary home for Cielo Ramen. What makes Cielo different from other ramen? Most instant noodles just give you a pack of powder. Cielo uses a liquid soup base and a separate seasoned oil packet. That's how you get that iconic red layer on top of the consomme. Plus, it's got 9 grams of protein. It's cholesterol free and uses premium thin noodles designed to soak up the broth. Alright, let's prep this. We've got the veggie mix, the liquid base, and the secret weapon, the birria oil. Add the boiling water and we wait 3 minutes. Oh man, the smell. It actually smells like an authentic birreria.
Buen provecho.
You get the guajillo chile, the cumin, and the garlic immediately. Wow, the texture of these noodles is top tier, super light and bouncy. But the broth, that's the star. It has that deep earthy richness you only get from a slow cooked consomme. It's not just spicy, it's savory. Now, if you want to go viral on TikTok or IG, you gotta do the Vallarta level up. I grabbed some fresh cilantro and onions from the produce aisle, a squeeze of lemon, and the pro move. I bought a small side of actual birria meat from the Vallarta Cocina, aka the hot food deli area. Throw that in, and you just turn a $2.50 cup into a $15 restaurant quality birria ramen bowl at home. Final verdict, Cielo Birria Ramen is a 9 out of 10 for instant noodles. It's easily the most authentic Hispanic fusion ramen I've ever had. It's perfect for a quick lunch, a late night craving, or even a hangover cure.
Buen provecho.
Here are my ranking features. Broth, 10 out of 10. The liquid base makes a huge difference. Noodles, 8 out of 10. Better than standard noodle cups. Value, 10 out of 10. Under $3 at Vallarta. Have you tried Cielo Ramen yet? They also have menudo and pozole flavors. Should I review those next? Let me know in the comments. If you would like to try Cielo Birria Ramen.
Is it spicy?
No.
Itadakimasu. Wow. It actually have more flavor because of the consomme it comes in the packet, I think. It's good. I like the soup. Because it's like authentic. It doesn't taste instant, you know? Oishii ne. Delicioso. I like the soup.
Thanks for watching and hitting the subscribe button. Now go hit up Vallarta and get your slurp on. I'll see you in the next one. Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.